prove them wrong consistently, just as any depot would.
Well, from one mother to another, let me say you are a true gem.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Intruders detected.
Space, I can protect, but add time to the mix soon. Things get tricky.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Got you covered.
Powering up. Rockets, fire! Need some repairs, fast.
They captured the mission area!
I owe you one.
A nice deep freeze.
I'm gonna find whoever put me out last time.
Vortex field!
I don't think that's welcome in the meeting.
I like the cold. Shields up! Disappear!
A little help, please.
Locked up.
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
Oh, sweet moves, right? I'm back. Powering up. Maximum pulse! That's what happens when you pick a fight with photons! This is real firepower!
It's the grand finale.
By the eye of Agamotto!
Anyone willing to help?
Iron Man,
You'll
operational
have to
again.
keep fighting until we have a winner.
If you were as smart as me, you'd be arrogant too.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
You shine brighter than the stars back on Planet X, ma'am.
That may very well be the kindest thing anyone has ever said about me.
I'm just glad you were able to understand me.
Of course I could, darling. After all.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I swear, if this outfit gets star power to your crew, will be hell to pay.
Spring in my step.
A nice deep
Disappear!
Hurry up.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. They captured the mission area!
All right.
Now I see them. What am I? Invisible?
By the eye of Agamotto!
Lost control here. Maximum pulse! This is real firepower! Everybody ready?
Let's take this area.
Giant robots? Huh. Step it powering up.
Over here. I can heal you.
Anyone say fireworks?
I like the cold. It's the grand finale. Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
There's another one down.
See them? Right there.
Control these.
Invisible? Even small victories are worth celebrating.
Piece of cake.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
This is real firepower! You belong to me! Last miracle.
Double KO.
Any medics around?
Got your back.
Thanks a lot.
I suck.
All eyes on this spot. Oh boy. Here they come!
Glory is almost yours. Disappear.
Maximum pulse!
Double KO.
Nobody can hit
Let's
with the
keep
pulse
fighting
cannon.
until we have a winner.
By the eye of Agamotto!
Feeling good again.
Control lost.
Feeling good again.
They've almost got it. Control seized. You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. I'm at maximum force.
Guess we better save the world again. Or is it worlds this time?
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Reed is glad to have another genius around to help him solve this, Tony.
Same. He takes my brilliant ideas and makes them ever so slightly better.
I'll be sure to tell him exactly what you said.
Please don't. There's no way I can do this without him.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
They say that music brings the world together. But right now, I think we need superheroes for that.
Force field, good to go! Now I see them. What am I? Invisible? A nice deep freeze. Shields up!
Oh!
that one.
The Hurricane Mission area is yours to capture now. The mission area is yours.
Shall I ruin Gala?
Disappear!
You belong to me!
Hurry up!
A nice deep freeze.
This is real firepower!
That put a spring in my step. Maximum pulse! That's what happens when you pick a fight with protons.
Double KO!
Yeah, I hope grudges.
That's 3!
Piece of cake.
I need a bit more power.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
By the eye of Agamotto!
I like the cold. I am ready to put on a show. Shields up. Fury is almost yours.
Another fearsome foe.
I like the cold.